sa aking anak. Sorry sa makakakita nitong video ko ngayong magmamadaling araw na. Wow! Grabe, initin ko muna to sa... Grabe yung packaging. So, tig-isa kami nito ni Hana. Talagang in-order namin to. We wanted to really eat this. Kaya nga pink ang nails ko. Charets. Yay!
It matches the bultak noodles.
Yay! Let's eat this.
You have to take off the thank you stickers for this to take off.
Okay.
Really packaged the chopsticks really well.
So, I popped it in the oven.
See this bultakan.
We don't have a strainer, so plato lang ang pinandain ko, pero wala na yung water. Okay, let us pour. Yay! So, let's not be over sa anghang. We don't want to hurt our tummy. Okay, so we pour
It
this.
looks so delicious.
Let's remember not to pour everything, okay?
We should pour everything.
You don't know what's in it.
It looks so yummy.
Oh, the bango is real.
Smells so good. I
Grabe,
think you should
ang
add
bango.
more. Add more. More.
You want more?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Look at it. It barely has anything. It's just cheese.
Anak, hindi pwede. Baka magulat ka, sabihin mo. Wow, ang galing naman. Yung pinaka-ano niya is nagmi-mix ng biglang ano. Lagyan natin isa, baka matuyo. So, ito.
Baka matuyo. Why are you so bad at opening it?
Okay.
Pour it all. It looks so cheesy.
Yeah.
Mommy, your hand is blocking the food.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Imagine you would.
Wow! You can see the spices in it. Charot. Taong bundok yun.
This is so worth it.
Let's just
This is
use
so
this.
worth the money for it. Did you see the drops? It just rolled off.
Okay, so this is, napasobra.
Andrew.
So, let's pour some more here.